Hi, may we meet you?
My name is Benita, a student here at Plugstuck.
What has been your experiences here at Plugstuck during the 8 weeks we are coding 2022 lecture? Let's start with a good experience.
Well, before I started this class, I was actually doubting that I'll be able to build a website, or I'll be able to learn how to build a website during my 8 weeks training. But as we may have it, I can build a website, and I'm currently working on one.
So, any bad experiences you love to share with us?
Not really, just the distance. That was when we were using the other branch. It was very far from my house, and the traffic and everything made it very difficult for me to come to class early. But this branch is actually close to my house, so I don't think I have any bad experience.
Moving forward, what are you going to do with the skill you've learned, the website design and development skill you've learned here at Plugstuck?
To make money, obviously, I'll build websites for people and they'll pay me. And if possible, I would also teach others.
So, would you love to continue with us as a trainee, as a trainer, as part of the team? Which of the options and what language will you want to continue with? Seeing that you just completed HTML, CSS, W3.css, and web design.
Well, I'd like to continue as a trainee and I would like to learn JavaScript.
Finally, any recommendations for trainers and for the company?
I have none. Everything is good. Everything is perfect here.
Thank you, Benita Uzandu.
Thank you.